Over a century ago, Edouard and André Michelin, two visionaries from France, inherited a rubber factory. Their ambition went beyond merely manufacturing tires. They foresaw the significant potential of the budding automobile industry, and despite the scarcity of cars on the roads, they aligned their business with this promising future. Their mission was ambitious and challenging: to create a market for their tires in a world where car ownership was a luxury. The Michelin Brothers understood that the success of their tire business was directly tied to the growth of automobiles. They needed to stimulate car usage, create a demand for it, and promote the concept of driving. To achieve this, they devised an innovative plan, publishing a guidebook to inspire people to travel and explore the French countryside by car. The first Michelin Guide, published in 1900, was more than just a restaurant guide. It was a comprehensive manual for motorists, filled with maps, locations of petrol stations, mechanics, hotels, and tourist attractions, along with practical advice on vehicle maintenance. Despite there being fewer than 3,000 cars in France at the time, they audaciously printed 35,000 copies and distributed them for free. André, the marketing mastermind, used his background as a government mapmaker to develop high-quality maps for the guide. He also created the iconic Michelin Man, an instantly recognizable mascot that became a symbol of the brand around the world. Their marketing strategy was so successful that it not only created a demand for their tires, but also set a benchmark for culinary excellence. The Michelin Brothers effectively promoted a lifestyle centered around automobiles, creating a new market. Although their primary objective, securing the future of the automobile, was achieved decades ago, Michelin continues to print its iconic red and green guides today. The iconic star rating system for restaurants, originally used as an aid to travelers, is now globally respected, and a 3-star rating is highly coveted by the entire industry. The Michelin Brothers' marketing genius transformed their family's struggling rubber factory into a world-renowned brand, proving that with creativity, insight, and a deep understanding of their audience, they could drive the market towards their vision.